Hello friends, I hope everyone is well. Today I am going to draw mango leaf with 3 lines. So let's start. By the way friends, I become to know that mango leaf and mango is very popular at Bangladesh and India. So if you are a Bangladeshi or Indian, please subscribe my channel, comment, share and like this video. Thank you, friends. Friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.